Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to basically connect our Facebook page to the Meta Business. So if you currently have a Facebook page and a Facebook account that you guys wanna, go ahead and connect with the Meta Business Suite. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is going to be pretty easy, because what we need to do first is to go ahead and just launch the Facebook application. Now, once this is done, go ahead and proceed with logging into your preferred accounts on here. Now, once you have your preferred accounts, which should have the preferred Facebook page on that account linked to it, then you want to go ahead and connect with the Meta Business Suite. I would like you guys to proceed with downloading the Meta Business Suite on your device and then launching it. Now, what you're gonna have on here is the option for you to log into your Facebook account. Now, it will also automatically detect what type of Facebook account that you have currently logged in, and it will also detect all of the specific pages that you have associated with that Facebook account. And as you would notice, this is my Facebook account, and I also have all of the different pages over here that I have with my Facebook account also inputted and connected with the Meta Business Suite. I could actually go ahead and just hover over them, choose specific pages that I want to go ahead and edit through them in a business suite. And it's that easy, guys. You don't really need to connect a specific page to the Meta Business Suite, as long as you were using the same Facebook account that you were currently using with Facebook. And on the Meta Business Suite, all of your pages will be shown on the Meta Business Suite. Now, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.